My Uber has arrived. Let's get in. And I don't know what my Uber has planned, but here we go. What's up, man? How you doing? So where are you gonna take us today? All right. Let's see what we got planned. I mean, oh shit. You don't like talking, okay.
Big turbo E85.
85, yes sir. Nice.
Yeah, everything. Got a V12 under the engine.
What percentage tint you got? I think
0.
Zero?
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Why is it wet outside? It wasn't even raining out. The heck? Did I even lock the car? I don't think I locked the car. Whatever.
It's a minivan. No one's gonna...
Yeah, I know. I don't got anything in there anyway. Someone's gonna steal my bananas for my smoothies. Got CarMax. Oh, boo. What you mean, oh, boo? Let's see. Now we're gonna be on the main road. Let's see what he got going on. Damn. You have a full exhaust, right?
Yeah, full exhaust.
Full exhaust. Nice. Three, two, one, go! Oh shit. We should race this guy right here.
We're going on the highway, bro.
Dude, the highway would go crazy.
Yeah, we are.
Bad. Yo, what the heck? Is that Frosty in that bit? That's Frosty's friend. What time is it? Late night POV drive with the Uber driver right here. And I think he got a new stick shift right here. I don't know. Because I was in his car before. Because you know this is the best Uber driver in town. And I don't trust anyone else. And I don't think he had this one in. Damn. Damn, we drifting the Golf.
Whoa, what was that?
Next week it's supposed to be snowing, so you know what that means. Truck is going out from the driveway, and we're probably gonna come here. Sure. Last time was crazy with the truck, with the work truck, man.
Oh,
That was kind of fun. Are we gonna go to work here?
yeah, that's where you work, huh?
Hell yeah. I mean, it kind of sucks because I have to move all those pallets around. And yeah, I mean that's why I got a 6-pack. But I don't know. I'm trying to get fired some way, so I don't have to work there. All right, thank you for the drive, man. Guess I gotta get going. Gotta go to work again.
Yeah.
Kind of hate that place, but yeah.
Did I ask?
Man, whatever.
Where's my money?
How much do you need? Like 20?
Nah,
Was only like
plus tip. Nah, actually not inflation, bro.
Inflation.
35 plus tip. That's gonna be like, I mean, you know, give me a good tip.
$20 tip. I gave you 20 for gas, $20
Who's this?
bill. I don't know, man. Just keep it. I don't go crap. I make like, I don't know, 200 grand per year over here. For sure, for sure. All right, man. See ya. Wait, can't forget the water bottle. All right, man. Later. Man, why did I give him a tip like that? The heck? He didn't even do a good job of driving, if I'm being honest. Is he coming back here? Hey, what up? I don't know, I think he wants to give back the tip that I gave him. Oh, shit. What it do, man? You wanna give me back my tip? I mean, you want to give back the tip? That's why you came back here?
No. I need more money. You only give me 20.
Man, hell no.
You give me 20.
Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm going back to work in this wear shop or whatever, workshop area for Santa Claus and all those elves. Because, you know, Christmas is in like 11 months and, you know, Santa's trying to have everyone have presents next year or this year. Man, the entrance that way. The heck? Where am I going? Man, I gotta meet the golf owner again. Man, I wasn't running since, what's it called? High school, man. What's this guy doing? Checking if it's real. Yeah, that shit fake. Man, that's fake. Don't worry. The entrance this way, not that way. That's a pretty nice golf, I ain't gonna lie, but yeah. Oh, there we go. That's the entrance we want to go to. Oh, man, luckily he was kind of driving quick, so we can be here on time. The heck? What? No way, bro. I gotta wait 30 more minutes. Oh, man. I mean, I guess the $20 tip will do him good. Man. Yo, do you mind if I stay in your golf? Cause the building's closed right now and I forgot that I gotta be here at 9, not 8:30.
Ooh, do you see that Prius over there?
Yeah.
You can go in that.
And that one?
That's your car.
That's not my... That's my car, yeah. Nah, bro. Yeah, that's my car, man. Let's take a sip of water real quick. This is gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please drop a like on this video, subscribe if you are new.
No one's gonna subscribe. Go ahead.
Alright, well, you're a hater, so I'll give you like a 0 out of 5 stars on Uber.
Sure. I don't do Uber.
Yeah, you do.
I kidnapped you.
Alright, whatever, man.
I'm leaving you.
Man, screw your golf too. I mean, I was complimenting you, but I guess not. Take all that back.